welcome to Business Standard's afternoon news update. Here are the top stories. RBI leaves rates unchanged, asks government to take steps to contain high current account deficit. Group of ministers on MTNL BSNL revival to discuss spectrum to be held on August 1st, and Swiss banking giant UBS is set to repay Swiss bailout loan. Now the news in detail. Weighed down by a weak rupee, the RBI today chose to keep all key interest rates unchanged and asked the government to take urgent steps to rein in the high current account deficit, lowering the GDP growth projection for the current fiscal to 5.5% from 5.7%. The central bank said the external sector is the biggest threat to economic stability. It also said that recent liquidity tightening measures taken to support the rupee will be rolled back in a calibrated manner as stability is restored to the foreign exchange market, enabling it to revert to the policy of supporting growth with continuing vigil on inflation. The RBI will endeavour to keep inflation, which is under threat from a depreciating rupee, at 5% by March end. The group of ministers on the revival of loss-making telecom companies BSNL and MTNL is likely to focus on spectrum-related issues cumulatively amounting to about 23,000 crore rupees of these state-run telecom firms in their meeting scheduled for 1st August. Spectrum-related issues include demand by these public sector units for a refund of their wireless broadband airwaves that can be used for 4G services and a one-time spectrum charge levied on them for holding airwaves beyond allocation made to them with licenses. BSNL and MTNL were asked to pay 8,300 crores and 4,533 crores on June 20, 2010 for the broadband airwaves. The one-time fee for BSNL's GSM spectrum amounts to around 6,912 crores and MTNL 3,225 crores. These two issues of both the PSUs jointly account for 22,964 crore rupees. UBS will repay a loan and buy back equity in a fund set up as part of its 2008 bailout, a move the Swiss bank said would bolster its capital later this year. The move draws a line under the Swiss government's rescue of UBS nearly 5 years after the bank threatened to collapse under the weight of more than $50 billion in losses on mortgage securities. UBS's shares hit a 2-year high last week after it disclosed a quarterly profit that beat analyst views, even after paying $885 million to settle a lawsuit with the US housing regulator over the mis-selling of mortgage-backed bonds. That's all we have for now. Keep watching this space for more news.